What does Reiki actually feel like? I get asked this question a lot. Welcome to the Reiki journey. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we cover everything to do with Reiki. And in this video, I'm going to explain what Reiki can and sometimes can feel like for you when you're receiving it. So when receiving Reiki, a lot of people expect something grand and dramatic, something a little bit crazy. You know, we've all seen the films where we see sort of like Yoda moving things from the ground or the Emperor having lightning coming from his hands. But Reiki is extremely subtle. But sometimes you might feel a warmth in certain areas of the body. You might feel a gentle pressure or a tingling. You might just feel a sense of heaviness and deep relaxation. Some people also feel emotions arising, and this is totally normal. This is completely normal, and although it can scare people sometimes, it's just a way of rebalancing and reharmonizing your energy. So whether you feel a lot or whether you feel very little, just know that Reiki is always going to work for you. It's always going to work for your highest good, because you are in fact an aspect of the Reiki, and we're just kind of tuning back into who you really are. You are that energy. So it's important not to overthink it, and we're going to do a little bit of an exercise as well in this video so you can feel Reiki energy for yourself, which I think a lot of people find quite interesting. So instead of looking for something, instead of expecting, just allow yourself to be open. Just allow yourself to accept whatever may happen, whatever may come up, whatever gentle sensations you may feel or not feel. It's just about being open and receptive with no expectations. And that's a really important aspect to Reiki and receiving Reiki. And as a practitioner as well, about giving Reiki is not having an expectation of what I think the outcome is going to look like. So let's get into this little exercise. What I want you to do to begin with, I just want you to begin by just rubbing the palms together. And we're just going to do this for maybe 10 seconds, 15 seconds. And you're just going to generate a little bit of heat and just rub the palms quite briskly together. And just generate that little bit of heat. And you're just charging up your energetic field between your palms. So now, I just want you to hold your hands together. And I want you to imagine now that there is a tennis ball between your hands. And I want you to imagine that you're going to try and just squeeze that tennis ball ever so slightly. And I want you to just be aware and really focus your awareness in the middle of the hands. And just be aware of any tiny subtle changes. And bring the hands a little bit close together. And just gradually and gently bring them closer and closer together. And you may feel a stickiness, a gluiness, a heaviness. You may feel like as though the hands are pushing each other away from each other. And what's going on here is you're starting to feel and be aware of your energy, your chi, your prana. You're connecting to your auric field. So it's very subtle. It's very gentle. Now I just want you to just make little circles with the palms. And just imagine that between the hands is a snooker ball. And you're just rotating that snooker ball between the palms. And just keep full awareness between the hands. And again, just be aware of what you feel, any tiny, subtle changes. And it really is subtle, very subtle. And then just bring them back to just trying to squeeze that snooker ball. And again, just be aware of any subtle changes between the hands. Any little sensations that might change. And then just bring the hands closer and closer together. And when you get to about an inch, there is almost like a little bit of resistance that you might feel. You might not feel much at all. But what will happen over time with practice is you will build your sensitivity to the energy. to that practice. So the more that you practice, the more that you do this, the more that you work with your aura, with your energy, the more you will become more in tune with it. So give it a go. If you liked and you felt something from this, then please do comment below and let me know what you felt. Let me know what you did or didn't feel. And also, if you want to enjoy and experience some Reiki, then check out this video, which is going to be focused on anxiety to support you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in another video very soon. Much love. Bye for now.